first of all, let me show it to you. It's this. So the left goes back first, and then the Pilates would be this, you know, regular position, earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels, soft knees, tight core, breathing, relax, pull your shoulders in and down towards your sacrum, and then we're going to start both poi on the bottom. The left, so when you go into your first T, the left goes back, so you're almost opening away from me. Then you come back to neutral, and then you're opening toward me, and then you come back to neutral again. So you're going up to midnight. This is where your petal will be, and then you come back down. And up to midnight. This is where your petal will be, back down. Up to midnight. Well, eventually the petal will be there. It'll be there. It'll be there. Okay, and let's do 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's start with the left hand doing its drills. Let's do 10 of them with the left. 5, 6, it's an overhand. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 with the right hand and underhand. It'll go forward first. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 more with the left hand. It's an overhand. It'll go back first. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With both hands here, your left is overhand, your right is underhand. Try doing an extension with the right, and then an extension with the left, and then an extension with the right. The one with the left will go back. The one with the right will go front. Left goes back, right goes 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 front. Whew. And then you can try and maintain it. Do 4 in a row and then come back down. And then try and do another 4 in a row. And then come back down. And then try and do another 4 in a row. And back down. And then you could get really crazy. I know we didn't actually try it with each hand individually, but you can see what happens where you try and put a petal at the top and swing around. And a petal at the top and you swing around. Petal at the top, swing around. Pedal and swing and pedal.